50. Oh, di na kalo. Abi, sa ring, be. It's a ring.
Magic carpet.
Okay. Tell me why you want to become a star.
We want to bring light. We want to be truthful. We want to be respectful. We want to be helpful. We want to be obedient. We want to be loyal.
Stars are little children who brighten their homes with smiles and good deeds. Each star has to make happy every day her mother, father, brother, and sister. She has to keep herself brightly shining by being clean, truthful, and obedient. Do you want to become such a star in your home?
Yes, star. No.
Yes, farewell twinklers, you have come to the right place. But before you join the clusters, you have to make a promise. Will you say your promise now?
Tiffany. The Star Scout promise. I promise to do my best, to love God and my country, to help other people every day, especially those at home.
I welcome you now to Star Troop number 3814 of the Cebu Council of Girl Scouts of the Philippines. We welcome you to the Milky Way.
Now you are truly a member of the Star Scout Troop. But before your Star cluster can accept you, your mother or father will put on you your Star Scout cap and